Hi Foundation, this is Thursday's literacy lesson. I hope you've been enjoying our story this week, How to Catch a Star, and we can't wait to see the artwork you've been doing. Today, we're going to be helping the boy catch the star, and we're going to do that by saying instructions to help the boy. So before we start our learning, I've got a question to get you thinking about the story. So how did the boy find a star? And we've got three choices. Did he find a star on the moon? Did he find a star in the rocket? Or did he find a star on the beach? Have a think about the story. Can you remember how he found the star? So today, for our learning, we are going to say instructions to catch a star. And to do that, we're going to use our instruction words. Can you remember them? We've got first, next, then, and finally. Can you do the actions for each of our instruction words? So we're going to use our instruction words, and then we might use some actions to act out our instructions, and then make sure we say the instructions in order to help the boy catch a star. So the boy tried lots of different methods to catch the star in the story. I'd like you to pause the video and tell the person next to you, how did he try and catch the star? We've got some pictures on the screen to help you. Look at all the different ways that he tried to catch the star in the story. I love the way he kept trying and trying again, using his imagination to think of a different way to catch the star each time. Now that you've had a think about the different ways the boy has tried to catch the star, we're going to think about our instructions and then write them into the template on Thursday's literacy pack. I've got my instruction words down the side here, and I've got them in the right order. So I've got first, next, then, and finally. And I've thought about the instructions I want to write. I've got some pictures here. You might decide to cut out some of the pictures from your literacy learning pack, or you might choose to draw the pictures for your instructions. And then I've brought a sentence. I've got zoom in a rocket. Zoom in a rocket. So my instructions start with the sentence, first, zoom in a rocket. Have a go at writing a sentence for your instructions. So what are you going to do first? You might choose to use one of the ideas that the boy did, or you might use your imagination to think of your own idea. So think about what you could use to catch a star, or think about where you will go, or who you could ask for help. So my instructions start with first, zoom in a rocket, and then next I'm going to climb up a tree. Climb up a tree. Can you spot the digraph E in my sentence? So think about your phonics whilst you write your sentences. Then I'm going to ask a seagull to help. And then finally I'm going to jump up high. I've got the trigraph I in that word. So once I've wrote my instructions, I'm going to go back to the beginning and say my instructions in the right order. So first, zoom in a rocket. Next, climb up a tree. Then, ask a seagull to help. And finally, jump up high. Those are my instructions to catch a star. I've used my instruction words first, next, then, after that, and finally. And I've said my instructions in order. Now that I've wrote my instructions, I need to use actions to act out my instructions. So now it's your turn. Think about your instructions and then have a go at drawing or writing them in your learning pack. If there's not enough room on your instruction sheet, you might choose to draw or write into your learning book. We can't wait to see your instructions tomorrow, so have a really good go at using your phonics knowledge to write your instructions.